So as an engineer or architect, if you want to start your building planning and sanctioning business, then there are three main books that you should or you must read. The first one is building planning related. For example, if you want to simply prepare a working plan or double line plan, in that case it is not enough to prepare a simple plan. Okay, as an engineer or as an architect, we have to look all the aspect. For example, where should be the kitchen or hall, or where should be the doors. So to solve this issue or to learn the all aspect, I will suggest you the first book, building planning, that is given in the description. You must read that book. Okay, now the second book is very important. I will say that it's not a book, or it will not be it will not available at any online platform like Amazon or Flipkart. It's actually the building bylaws. So basically, what is the building bylaws? Building bylaws is the rule book prepared by the government authority, that may be municipal corporation or municipal council or state government or central government, which provide you the guidelines or the rules that what are the margins for the any kind of building, that may be institutional, mixed type or residential. Then it also provides that how much floor you can construct over the site or over the location. So such kind of rules or guidelines are very important while preparing the plans or drawing for the sanctioning purpose. For example, if your client is willing to apply for a loan, home loan, so in that case he or she have to apply along with the sanctioning drawing. Okay, so in that case we have to provide some kind of margins and some kind of other guidelines. So to know that what are the guidelines or rules, you have to collect the building bylaws. Then the question is that from where you can get it. Okay, there are some state which I know, so for those I have collected some building bylaws. I will provide that link in description, but it's not necessary that all building bylaws will be available there. So I will request you to visit your authority, that is a municipal council, municipal corporation or town planning department, and demand them for building bylaws. They will provide you that maybe for a PDF file for free, or they will charge something for the hard copy. So it's really important as a engineer or as a civil engineer architect to have such a building bylaws, so that we can easily and with legally we can design or draw a building drawing for our client. Now the third option is third book is optional, and I will say that it's not important or it's not depend on your opinion or my opinion or your belief or my belief. It's actually related to the Vastu Shastra. So why it's important? Look, in countries like India, where some people or the major amount of people believe in Vastu Shastra, so in that case it's not about what you believe as a civil engineer or architect. Okay, because we are doing business, so it's our duty to satisfy our clients. So if your client is demanding for the planning with the Vastu Shastra, so in that case, as an engineer, we never learned about in our college that how Vastu Shastra work or all other things. Okay, but for client demand or for the client requirement, you must read that book also. It's not about you believe or not, but as a client point of view or as a client demand, you have to read that, so that if a client asks you for the planning according with the Vastu Shastra, so in that case you should be able to draw. Because if you are believing that the engineering knowledge is sufficient, then it may be not right in a current situation, or we say that in a practical situation. Okay, so I will highly recommend that if you are from India, then you should read the Vastu Shastra book, that will be also provided in the description. And after all these three books or three recommendation, I want to share that why I made this video or why I published this video. Look, when we complete the engineering or civil engineering, that may be a diploma or a degree, then we start prepare the first work we want to do is then prepare the planning for our relative or our neighbor or the someone who we know. Okay, so in that case we provide our drawings along with our names mentioned as drawn by or prepared by XY engineer XYZ. Okay, so here is the issue that if your first drawing is prepared by you and you are providing it to other, okay, so in that case, okay, it may be that you are not getting a sufficient amount of money, but you are promoting yourself. Okay, so in that case your promotion is not your name. Okay, your promotional content is your drawing. So if your drawing is accumulated with various kind of errors, for example, if you not mention the dimension properly as per the engineering aspect, okay, or you not provided door or windows according to the Vastu Shastra or our engineering aspect, then in that case the person who already know, for example, if I'm preparing as a fresher a drawing and my drawing is for example it will be observed by someone who know already about it, for example the expert one. Okay, so what will he think that ki what kind of engineer he is? Okay, I mean who prepared this drawing? Okay, so to avoid this confusion or to avoid this kind of mistakes, I highly recommend you to, if you are a fresher, then please go through this book. Even if you are practicing engineer, because as an engineer I have observed some other engineers drawing and I have observed that there are so many basic mistakes. Okay, so even if you are a practicing engineer, I highly recommend you to go through these books and read these books, so that it will help you professionally to improve your professional impression and to get a better client attention, because this is the only thing that you firstly impress your client, that how we prepare a drawing. Okay, basically you know that engineering drawing is a knowledge, is not only the knowledge. Okay, it's actually language for us. Okay, so that language should be fluent and that language should be impressive. So I highly recommend you to get this book which are given in description. Thank you. So that's it for today guys. All required data is given in description. If you have any queries regarding the video, feel free to ask in comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.